Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If your laptop or your PC support built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and is somehow not working, I will show you some solutions that I personally use in this video. You can see a lot of tutorials videos that show you very useless solution, like you reinstall Windows, you choose the driver update, or you use Windows troubleshooting, the most useless thing I ever heard. I will show you very quick my solution in this video. The most important one I want to remind you is if you're using PC or even laptops, you need to make sure you install the antenna correctly. Right here, you need to connect both Wi-Fi antenna and Bluetooth antenna. This thing is what the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth antenna connection look like. If your device is a laptop, you need to make sure that this kind of antenna are connected correctly. You can easily check by opening your laptops. You can see this image over here. This one are connected, but this one are not connected. So just check again your laptops or your PC. Okay, if you're confident that your hardware are normal, I will show you the software solution. First of all, you need to check if everything is okay or not. You will navigate to the window icon over here. You right click and choose the device manager. You just need to care about two things. First one is the Wi-Fi or network adapters. Second one is the Bluetooth. As you can see, I have internet Wi-Fi over here. I also have the Intel wireless Bluetooth over here. That means my Wi-Fi and Bluetooth drivers are working normally. If somehow in your PC or your laptops, the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi not showing, that means you have problems with your drivers. The easiest way for you to fix it is you search for your motherboard name, or you search for your laptop names and you search drivers over here. You go to the home page of the manufacturer, you scroll down and find drivers. Here we have Bluetooth drivers and we have Wi-Fi drivers. If you can't find the suitable drivers, you can use this app over here. It's called Driver Booster. This is a free app that allows you to download and update the driver automatically. Download this app and make a scan. The app will show you what is the driver missing in your PC, and it's download and install automatically. Similar to Driver Booster, I suggest you another app. It's called 3dpchips.com. This one is very similar. You download the apps and it's automatically download for you, such as CPU drivers, motherboard drivers, videos, internet drivers, and all latest driver. Okay, that's all my videos. If you found any better solution, please drop a comment below. If my video is helpful, please give me a like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next videos.